I see the skyline, I'm ready to go. With power and strength, I'm putting on a show. You need a hero, I'll answer the call. Together we'll rise, we'll never fall.
C major, C
In this world of
major,
chaos, I'll stand by your side.
C
I
major.
wanna be your lioness. I'll be your sword, striking light from the dark.
C major,
Like Captain
major.
America, I'll stand strong and true. And when it gets tough, I'll always save you.
C minor, I think that's it. Alright, so we go to C, C major, bam, bam, bam. C major,
I'll always save you. So here's my as the world will glow.
C minor, two, and then three and four.
I see the sky, ready to go, power and strength. Need a hero, he'll answer the call. Together we'll rise.
Alright, let me add one.
We'll never fall.
D major, let's go to D major.
World of chaos, I'll stand by your
Two,
side.
three.
I wanna be your
Come here,
Iron
strings.
Man, I'll shield you. I'll be your Lord, striking light from the dark. Like Captain America, I'll stand strong and true.
C
And when it gets
major.
tough, I'll always save you. So here's my promise, I'll never let go.
C
Together we'll
minor.
shine.
Let's see if that's right. One, two, three. One, two, yep, got it. D major. Oop, too many strings. So one, two, D major. C major. C minor. Four chords. Four strings, I believe. Alright, now I gotta go to D. What was D? D major. D major. D major. Alright, I'm gonna go to C. Okay, C major I can remember for some reason. That's good. Yep, four strings. Was that it right? Yep.
S'mores melting softly, laughter in the air. In this moment together, nothing can compare. Home is not a place, it's where you feel alive. I wanna go camping, where the wild
D minor. So I'm learning today C major, C minor, D major, and D minor. And I'm going to practice that.
What are we talking about? Practice?
A whole bunch.
We're
today.
talking about
I
practice,
wanna pick
man.
those 4 chords. And then, long as when I learn, I'm going to learn some more. I need 14 chords to get through. And with chords, I'm talking about these flashcards here. That one is D minor. I have it on the screen right up there, so you guys can see. So that's it for today. Once I learn all those chords, like I said, I am going to go practice them, go back, and then transition between them. But I want to learn those 14 chords first. Once I learn those 14 and transition a little bit, I'm going to go back to that one video I was watching, and I'm going to follow his tutorial from beginning to end. And I think that's going to help me out. But I'm going to learn these 14 first, and then I'm going to go back to that video. So, if you have any questions, comment down below. I am using my AeroBand Guitar. It is the newest version. So, without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.